Hello viewers, you are welcome again to my channel. I am Farmer Tanto and today I am in Douala, the economic capital of Cameroon. And what has brought me here, I'm not a city fan, I'm a grassroots environmental activist. I'm a farmer. I mostly like to live in the rural world. But what has brought me to Douala is because I learned about an amazing young man who has designed a kind of Harley Davidson motorbikes by himself, made in Cameroon. And today I've come here so that we can visit this young man, so that he can tell us his story, how he started, what prompted him to design bikes like this. I always say Africa must be transformed. If Africa must be transformed, we have to identify and harness all the hidden potentials that the world needs to know about them. And together we can make Africa great. Thank you for always coming back to my channel. Please keep on subscribing, keep on sharing this video, and together we are going to make Africa great. Join me. Ciao. Hello viewers, so finally I'm here to meet this amazing engineer. I call him an engineer because his brain works at the speed of light. Good to see you, man. Wow, so finally I've got to see you and I had to come with from Baminda to see you. So my name is Tanto, and what's your name?
Wirngo Eric.
Okay, and where do you come from? From Kumbo. Wow. So now I saw this on Facebook and I decided that I was going to come and see you so that you can tell the world how you conceived this and what made you to go into this. And so can you please explain what is the name of this kind of bikes?
Well, this is giant chopper, as you can see, but they are generally called choppers. The American version of bike.
Okay.
The American version of bike, they call it choppers.
Okay.
Harley Davidson, Cameroon, choppers.
Okay.
Those are just their names. So these particular models are built for long kind of thing.
Okay.
Though are built good commercial and for long purposes. But this one is only for luxury ride. That's why you see it so big. You cannot use for commercial purposes.
Okay.
Yeah, but I built all like you can see that one is a small one.
Okay.
Yeah, so,
wow, so this is your personal design.
this is my personal design. You have never seen this anywhere, you've never seen it anywhere.
Wait, Eric, so when did you go into metal work?
I've been into metal work for 18 years.
18 years. And how old are you now?
I'm 56.
And you look so young.
Hey, thank you. I had that open.
Wow, that's wonderful. So, what made you to conceive your own design of bikes? What was your passion? What prompted you to go into designing bikes like this?
Okay, the thing is, all the way back from Kumbo, in the village, remote area like that, and
Yeah.
I've been into general welding from day one, actually, like doing protectors, iron doors, and general agricultural machines. So I just said, no, this is a gift that we all have. Okay. We all can do more than this. So, and me being somebody that love American types of bike, and to be honest, they are very expensive.
Okay.
They are not even in Cameroon market.
Okay.
So I cannot even come to think about purchasing it. So I'm like, okay, these are done by Welder, so what is keeping me?
Yeah.
So I believe in myself, I know I could do it. But the finances were not there, but I know I will do it. I said to myself, instead of me buying a bike, that I will not even be able to buy the bike on myself.
That's right.
Let me do it.
I decided to design your own
I
bike.
decided to design my own bike. And let me tell you a funny story.
Yeah.
We had a union of welders back then, the meeting that we usually start. So one day I told them that instead of us talking about Chinese bike, we should be talking about building bikes, because these bikes are built by welders like you and I.
Yeah.
And they all laughed. And I told them that I gave them 6 months of building my bike.
Wow.
That's how I designed.
And you challenged them by building this bike.
I built it and they did not believe it, and it was 2016.
So this bike has been since 2016. So now, do you have a license or do you have paperwork? How do you come out with the paperwork or the license to drive this bike?
I don't worry about paperwork because of course I'm a Cameroonian, and this is something. This is the best of my knowledge. It's a blessing to my country.
Okay.
Being made. So that's why I've been requesting our government to give me a license. It is left onto them to give me a license. This is not the first production.
Okay.
I've done 4. So that time I've done four bikes.
So you have built 4 other bikes like
Four
this.
other bikes.
And then you sold them?
I sold them. I have 1 bike that I built in November for Greenhouse Ventures.
Okay.
Greenhouse Ventures in Cameroon.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes. I built them 1 bike. I built them for 1 guy to leave it, and that one is still ongoing. So
Okay.
I'm building them with the hope that they will give me a license that I will
right.
meet. Like I want to dive into commercial bike because bike is a very booming business in this country. Like promote a lot of economics, a lot of employment. So
That's right.
I want to go into commercial banking, so like I've gone to for commercial companies. So in such a way that when the government give me a license,
Yeah.
whereby you can come and purchase a bike and have the liberty to go and pay your taxes, your insurance, your all the like you ask the question, me, I've been riding this since 2016. I don't have a single paper. I
Okay.
go to India, I go to India, I go anywhere. Police, they don't stop me. They know it because I've been viewed on the national channel, so they
That's
know.
right.
So, but like I see how the few challenges, like the empower people, those are just the council people. Those are people they don't know about the difference between this and that. So
Yeah.
every time they stop me, they ask for papers. I say I don't have a single paper. And I have no discussion with them because I don't take no control. And they have to get it because who will not be amazed to see something going like
Of course, I was amazed at this.
I ride it anywhere with confidence, without doubt, without fear.
Wow.
Anybody with his normal senses will not stop me for anything.
That's right. That's right.
So this is the reason. I don't only want to be the only one doing this. I'm training other youth to be like this. So I want to train a brand of Cameroonian welders that has no limits.
Okay.
That will be building bikes and cars. That is the dream.
Okay.
That is the dream. I don't want to end here.
Wow.
So I don't want to end here. It's a big dream. So
If you were given the opportunity to produce bikes like this here made in Cameroon, how many bikes can you produce in a year?
now we can do like presently now I build one bike to one for 30 days.
30 days, and you produce a bike like this.
Yes, with my normal tools, most of my tools are fabricated. And then I'll explain. I have my welding machine, my grinding machine, and normal tools.
Okay.
I don't need to have sophisticated machines. Like I wouldn't put them in front. If I put them in front, I wouldn't have been where I am. If I was able to do this one with the two tools,
Yeah.
so hey, it's just a proof to you that with more advanced tools I can do better.
That's right.
But when I said I can take 30 days to do one bike, it's supposed to be one bike. If I'm building 10 bikes, doesn't mean that will take 300 days. Of course, the more the bikes, the lesser the time.
That's right.
So if I'm building many bikes, it will take lesser time.
And you need to have a team that you work with so that they can also take part in the assembly.
Because I have a team, I have people, electricians who do my wiring, I have mechanical people, mechanical section.
Okay.
The welding part, I do all the fabrication.
Okay. So now, when I look at these designs of bike, you say it's a chopper, right? I know when I was in America, I saw this kind of bikes made by Harley Davidson. So, have you ever had the opportunity to contact Harley Davidson company?
No, I've never tried to contact them.
Okay.
But I have people, I have somebody that I would say is like a mentor to me. I followed him. That was a welder who made me to understand that any welder can build anything. And I would say that's the person who transformed my life. His name is James.
It's an American?
It's American. The American
Okay.
chopper bass Michael builder.
Okay.
So he has been building for years. I follow him on channel and
Okay.
I came to realize that, oh, this guy is doing all those things I can do. So I would say that is my main motivator, somebody who motivates.
Wow. So now, if you have the opportunity to visit Harley Davidson's manufacturing company in America, probably to show them your designs and probably to do like an internship with them, to learn more from their design that you can come back and then establish here in landscape. So would you like to do that kind of internship?
Of course, it will be an amazing improvement on my industry. Because somebody like me, I believe in studies. I study every day.
That's right.
I've been waiting for 18 years and I still study like a student from day one. That's why I make sure that everything in my field, the technology that will still be revealed in 2023, I'm already studying right now. So I'm somebody that I'm open to learning. So if I can have a collaboration with them, go and change it, it will be an amazing idea to me.
Wow.
Just for them to like me to know some particular machinery that are not here right now.
That's right.
So I will need to study them. You have the CNC machine that and plasma machine that contact with designers that computerized machine that are not yet here. So if I can have that kind of affiliation with them, I will be able to study them. And if I can achieve one, then it will be a step forward.
Wow. Wow. That's wonderful. So now, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years, 10 years from now?
Ooh, massive production.
Massive production.
As a matter of fact, I have command, like I told you earlier. I already did a couple of bikes for Team Kumbo and so.
Okay.
And I still have plans on doing more.
Okay.
I have a difficulty though of the environment as you can see. So that is the main challenge I will tell and tell you right now.
Okay. Okay.
But if I go into mega production, you see this place, security, the precision, those are the things I need to compare with. As a matter of fact, very soon I'm waiting for an edition that is getting one of the phone. So those are the challenges we go into.
Okay.
I'm like any car as of now. But now, you know, when you are not on your own place,
That's right.
you still rent that kind of person from Africa. You are not a guarantee for this system.
That's right.
You just go this man and I'm looking for another place. That is the biggest challenge I would say I'm facing. Apart from that, this is done. It's a done thing.
Wow.
Yes, it's done thing about looking on a car, a bike, of any model. I've found that thing.
Wow.
Difficult is no longer in Kenya, but I do not take any design you want.
Okay.
I have my own designs. You want to take out my own design and I'll put the first.
Okay.
But then again, I can design you any bike of
Okay. Wow.
you know, I designed this and I put a storage tank. I call it a storage. That storage, you can put your things here, your files or whatever. You can store, you can pack anything on it. And when I want to ride alone, I put the backrest. This is the backrest now. You see like you're sitting on a car. So you raise your back there. This is a chair. Now, when you want to carry your passenger, when you want to take somebody now, you just pull this down. And then the passenger can sit on it. And your things are safe under on this box.
Can I ride with you in town on this bike?
Of course.
I would really love to enjoy the chopper bike
Of course.
made in Cameroon by Erico.
Any day, anytime, any second.
Wow. So we can go, right?
Of course.
Chopper. Yeah, we are now in Welder City on the Erico's chopper made in Cameroon. This is unbelievable, it's super comfortable. Wow, look at that. Yeah, Africa must be transformed, Eric. Yeah. Eriko, you also mentioned that you manufacture agricultural, machines and all the like. I am a farmer and I'm out to advocate for sustainable agriculture, organic farming, planting of trees in agricultural trees in farming system. And can you please tell me what are the kind of machines that you fabricate? And I'm seeing something here. What are the other kind of machines that you fabricate?
Well, like I said, I do general agricultural machines. Like in general, I do maize processing machine, dairy processing machine.
Okay.
And this is wet up and oil processing machine. This is a manual one. I do the automatic system whereby you use electrical appliances to do it. This is for a remote area where there's no electricity and they have difficulty in acquiring gasoline as well. So
Okay.
this is just a manual processing machine.
This is to process palm oil.
Palm oil.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. So how affordable? How can a low income farmer afford to something like this?
Very cheap. Very cheap. Because it's not expensive.
Okay. And this is also to process palm oil. So you boil your palm nuts and you pour inside this one.
And then the toy, this one we use a back for two men like
Okay,
us,
two men
go
can use
around,
it. They
round,
go round.
and the title, this is a polydoscope.
That's right.
Title and that's when the setting down. So then compress it out and then you use it.
The oil comes out here.
And then the chaff come down under there and the seat.
Wow, wow. It was nice having you on my channel. You know, the world is watching, and it is time that young Africans should shine. I am into agriculture, I'm into farming, I'm into environment, and now my goal is to support young initiatives like yours so that the world can understand what we are going through in Africa and the sky is the limit. So it was nice having a ride with you around, and the future is bright.
Amen. The pleasure is all mine. The
Wow.
pleasure is all mine. Together we take Africa ahead.
Exactly. Hello, viewers. It is so mind blowing to see that there are creative minds like Eric in Cameroon who can think, and come up with designs of bikes like this. Just, creativity. They say is no soul in the market. And I think, we're going to see how we can network even with Harley Davidson bikes in America because Eric needs to go for further training like internship just to get some ideas on how to design bikes and to do further internships so that in future he'll be able to set up a manufacturing company here in Cameroon to design bikes like this. This is so mind-blowing, man. The time has come when Africa must be transformed. If Africa must be transformed, we need to go back to the grassroots and support people like Eric and harness the potentials that are hidden right there at the grassroots so that we can support those making a difference in Africa to let them shine. I am farmer, no future. Peace and blessings.